Hey guys, working on another modification or improvement on the Kubota B2601 tonight. And something I've been wanting to do ever since I got this thing is this toolbox is just worthless, little plastic thing. I've already lost a couple pairs of gloves. When I trailer it, I run it backwards on my trailer, so this little chintzy toolbox lid pops up and I lose stuff out of it, so then I gotta keep a bungee cord on it and I hope that I remember it. And I know it's only going to be a matter of time before this plastic lid snaps off. So I've been wanting to get an improved option there, and I picked up an ammo box when I was in the store the other day. Just I was getting something else. Just by chance I saw this. I thought, hey, that'd be perfect. So I grabbed it and got it home, and I immediately decided that I don't think that's going to be a good solution. Problem is, well, for one thing, I don't keep my thing here. I keep a few pins, I like to keep a pair of oily gloves for when I'm doing my couplers, because I always end up getting greasy hands, crescent wrench pliers, just a couple odds and ends things. I don't need a lot of space, and I've already taken the bolts out of this thing. But part of the problem is this chintzy little bracket that they've got this toolbox on. When I put this thing's metal, it's kind of heavy, and I envision this thing is just going to be doing all kinds of rattling around and wobbling around back here. So I have a smaller plastic one that I've had for whatever, that I thought about using, but I decided to come up with a different option. So I was at Walmart, of all places, just trying to find the cheapest toolbox I could find, and I came up with this little dude. And it's nice because it's nice and flat, so it's not going to be top heavy wobbling around in that chintzy bracket. It's plenty big for what I need, and one of the main things that I wanted to make sure is that it's got some scratches. There we go. And it's got a place where when it closes, I can run a pin through there, so I can actually keep that thing from popping open on me. So I think this is going to work perfect for what I need for this little tractor, and so I'm going to throw it on here. So anyway, I've already took the other one off, of course. Some grease all over me here. So I took the old box and basically flipped it up, kind of got this situated where I wanted. I'm going to keep it close to the fender over here as I can, because it's more stable, obviously, where it's attached to the fender. And then I'm sliding it a little bit back of center, because where my lift arm hook is up here, I want to make sure I've got room to be able to get that top link in there, so I can use that. Otherwise it was going to hit the toolbox. So I set it back about a half an inch or so, but it'd be pretty close to center. Take it over here. Pretty simple job, but it's one of those things that, like I said, when you start losing stuff going down the road, you get somewhere and you realize that you're missing things, you get ticked off and you need to come up with a solution. So I'm just going to pop a couple holes in the bottom of this thing. I already marked it based on where these holes are, of course. The other thing too, this thing comes with little rubber feet, and these little rubber feet, I can just pop these out. So now I've got automatic drain holes. I don't even have to drill drain holes, so perfect. So I'm gonna step drill this, I think. Probably should have punched this first, but this thin stuff I should be able to get through okay. Holy dull. Make a little bigger bit. This is the size we need. Yep. have goggles on. Do as I say, not as I do. Alright, with any luck, the holes will line up. We'll pop this in real fast. Perfect. That'll work. It's still a little bit wobblier than I'd like just because that bar is. And I may, the other potential solution that I could do here that I've actually considered is I may at some point take this factory brace off of here and actually put some heavier angle on there so that it's a little bit stiffer, and then if I do that, then I can put a little heavier duty toolbox on there. But for now, at least I've got something that I can throw my stuff in. I can put a lock on it, not even a lock, I can just stick a pin through there, and I know I can go on the road without that thing falling off. So anyway, just a quick little tip for making a slight improvement to some of the, for the most part, tractor is a great tractor, but there's a couple things like the chintzy toolbox that just had to go. So anyway, do yours too. You'll appreciate it.